It's Tuesday and it's time for another Tuesday Teardown, and today we're going to be looking at Design International Group. They're a construction company based in the coastal region of Kenya, and they're looking to work with homeowners that need construction work as well as collaborating with other construction-based companies. The point of the website is to build brands, showcase services, and also drive inbound leads. So looking at the site straight away, it doesn't have an SSL certificate, so it doesn't have that padlock there, so it's marked as secure, which can harm visitors' confidence and also give you a negative ranking on Google in terms of SEO. Moving on, the main banner here, as you can see, the top banner takes up a heck of a lot of real estate, so I'd recommend reducing the height of this, which means the logo will be less pixelated as well, so you can fit more bang for your buck before people scroll. There's no clear messaging on what the company actually does. So if I was them, I'd probably set up some kind of small banner that looks cool and basically says what they do. So we help people in Kenya, or we help construction companies in Kenya to do X, Y, Z, or basically explain exactly how you can help people or your ideal customer in one line or two lines or less. Scrolling through, the website itself has some big imagery and it's pretty text heavy. So if we quickly look at the page speed, it's pretty poor on mobile and it's quite slow on the desktop side of things. So how we can actually improve that is we can change these images to be much smaller and also look at making them SVGs, so they load a lot faster. Otherwise, I'd say we need a call to action before we scroll. So in this case, perhaps get a free quote or request a call that can link to a contact inquiry form. And again, I'd recommend having call to actions later on the page as well to make it nice and easy for people to get in touch. Generally, the pages on the website are pretty text heavy in general, with a lot of images. So again, we can split these up with nice videos, perhaps infographics, perhaps nice banners, just generally to improve the format of the page, make it more engaging, make it more attractive, and get those call to actions in. Also, there's no specific service pages, so there's just one service page. We don't have individual service pages for each offering. So that's, if we can set that up, that's going to help with the SEO quite a bit. What I do like is that the text is nice and clear to read, which is the same on mobile view. It's nice and clear. I just make those changes I recommend. And there's no dedicated contact page. So the only way to contact, I think, is to go on the About page and scroll right down. And then you've got to look for the address, the phone number and email. So I'd set up a dedicated contact page, have a nice and clear contact form, have a clear way to phone, email, and get in touch. And that is pretty much all the points for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next week.